computer vision, also known as machine vision technology, is one of the areas that we really care about, especially within the ROBO Global strategies. Can you talk about some of the companies that you are really impressed with that has really strong demonstrations and capabilities around machine vision technology?
Sure. Well, one of the robo companies is Cognex. They're very early in the game in machine vision, and they've kept up their pace in terms of being able to innovate. They have systems that are easy to install in the factory. You don't need a whole lot of expertise, and so you can get machine vision solutions in place relatively quickly, relatively cheaply. So I think that's a good example. Around the corner, I expect more integration with deep learning so that you would be able to train your vision system by examples. And it would be more accommodating of variations of lighting, of different dimensions, of smudge marks, or even the hard bin picking problem where everything is jumbled together. You need to identify individual components inside there. I think that machine vision is getting better. Again, some of this will benefit from work in autonomous vehicles, and it'll go the other way as well. Smarter machine vision systems will help make better autonomous vehicles.